At last, I'm here with Raga Zulu.
But give me music. Give me music.
Raga, I have to admit, you know, I'm gonna say it, man. You're one of my favorite MCs, right? And right now, right? What have you been working on?
Well, I've just been trying to promote my album this year. I put out my on iTunes. I got the albums out in 3 things, but I got album out on iTunes at the beginning of this year, first of this year. It's called The Return of John Messenger. So follow up to the first album, John Messenger. And I'm just trying to get that out there really and push that. But secretly behind the scenes, I'm slightly working on Holy War. I meant to release it the first of next year, but I ain't really pushed The Return of John Messenger as hard as I would like to, so I'm going to push it back. So it'll come when it comes, but I'm just, boom, working on that Holy War. It's about internal conflict, you know? Like, man will try to be humble and deal with humility in certain aspects in my life, yeah? But then I also got ego and vanity and all kind of other aspects in my life, and not just me, in the work. It's about that battle, that spiritual warfare that's going on there, innit? So that's what the Holy War's about, really. And also, I'm trying to deal with that in my life, same way. So as we balance it in the life, it reflects in the art, and art reflects in the life, and vice versa, you know?
So with your music, I know some artists, they like to make up their alter egos and all of this and whatever, right? Is that, with your music, is what you say, is that who you are?
I speak for me, man. Like, I try to speak for people in my shoes, or people living a similar kind of life to me and whatever. I'm trying to be a voice for the voiceless. But first and foremost, I speak for me, you know what I mean? So you might relate to me because, for example, you could be a black male, so you might think, yeah, I relate to Raga Zulu, you get me? But then there's some black males that don't. So I can't just say, I speak for black men. But some black men be like, what are you talking about? So yeah, man, I just speak for me first and foremost, and then for people that relate to where I'm coming from. Whoever you may be, whatever walk of life you may be from, but yeah, if you relate to what I'm down with and you're feeling what I'm feeling, he knows it, feels it, that's that, you get me?
With your whole promotion, is there something different that you're doing with this new album?
That's what I'm trying to kick back, that's why I'm not releasing it, because I'm thinking about a different route to go to, you get me? Like, I'm a DIY guy. I ain't gonna put a job on no one else to do when I could do it myself, but doing it myself ain't always getting to where I want to get to, innit? So it's done, you know what I mean? I'm not sitting there thinking, I just better done the job, it's done. I want it to go a piece further, so I'm looking to try and find the right people to put in their hands to make them take it to where it needs to get to.
Alright, now with this new album,
yeah,
have you got any special features on there? Special artists?
Like features, because I don't know if you know, on the last one, I think there was like 47 tracks on it or whatever, because it was a double album. But this one, I'm not even gonna make it a double album, it's gonna be a single straight thing, but I'm gonna do 33 tracks in it. There's gonna be 3 Holy Wars in it. Holy War 1, Holy War 2, Holy War 3 in it. I'm getting into the secret now. You're only getting this exclusive right now, yeah? And they're gonna be 33 tracks, because 33 degrees of wisdom on each CD, you get me? And when you get the full 100, you get the full 100, that's it. So, yeah, on the 33 we got Bear, we got the usual, my brothers, man, like Cakes, Cyclonius, JJ Born to Sing, and my normal like circle, and then I got a bag of them, like you got Big Ben on there, I got collab with Rag Sweet Jones on there, I got a lot of singers, I got a singer named Masabi on there, I got my Anchor Bast on there, I got a lot of different people from different circles doing their thing, get me? So keep a look out, because that's as well what I wanted to do with this album. I always want to collaborate with people, but I get impatient, and I can't wait. You know what I mean? I'm like, I've done the tune and I'm waiting for the verse, alright, it's long. But this time I'm gonna take my time and make it the full thing, the fullness thereof.
Alright, okay. Is there any links that you want to tell the people about where people can find your music, or?
I want you to go on iTunes, type in my name, Raga Zulu Rebel, type in The Return of John Messenger, and buy my album, $5.99, 47 tracks. No one ain't giving you a better offer than that. And it's not 47 tracks of pants, you get me? Even on a bossy one, I don't really like to self-promote myself in that kind of way, like, my music's great. But honestly, I feel that it's 47 tracks, you will find at least 25 tracks on there, or 15 tracks on there that you honestly feel if you like hip hop music, UK hip hop music. No, not even UK. If you like hip hop music, if you like UK music, you will find at least 20 tracks in there you like. For $5.99, $5.99, might even be cheaper than that. I don't know. Go on there and check, bro. For $5.99 you can't get no better than that. So go on there and check. Hey, man, that's what I'm here to do, bro. That's all I want out of life now. Give me music. Get me. Give me more music.com. Nah. Give me music.com. Click on, yeah? Make sure you do. Ragazula Rebel Sasa, Jam Messenger. Boom, bam.
You're listening to GMMTV.com.